and welcome back to my channel. I'm Diksha and today I'm gonna show you how to make these quick and simple bookmarks using some watercolors and a pen. They are really fun and easy. Stay tuned till the end to learn some easy shading tricks to make the bookmarks look more pretty. Hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Let's talk about the supplies. A pencil, eraser, some fine liner pens or a simple pen, a round brush, here I am using size 10, scale, a scissor, a masking tape, some watercolors, a clean glass of water, and some tissue papers for bloating. Here I have cut two pieces of 7 by 14 centimeters out of a watercolor paper for our bookmarks. Now first, using masking tape, stick both the papers like this on a hard surface so that we can get clean and crisp edges for our bookmarks at the end. Now for our first bookmark, I am drawing a cosmos flower. For that, first draw two circles as guidelines like this. Now add the petals following these guidelines. You can add as many petals you want. Now add the stem, a bud and some leaves. Now for the second bookmark, I am making a simple leaf drawing. You are free to add more or less leaves according to your wish. Now erase the guidelines a little so it will not be visible in our finished bookmark. It's time to add watercolor wash to the bookmarks. I'm using these four colors in my color palette: phthalo green and purple for my leaf bookmark, and lemon yellow and cadmium orange for the cosmos one. You can use any combination of colors you like. Now to add the watercolor wash, start by wetting the bookmark properly with plain water. And then add swatches of colors like this. Blend them properly. And leave it to dry. Follow the same process for the second bookmark. Leave it to dry. Once dried completely, it looks like this. You can see the pencil sketch beneath the watercolor. Now it's time to add the outline with pen. Draw the center of cosmos with stippling. It means placing many dots together to indicate shading. Like this. Then outline the petals, stem, bud and the leaves. Add some shading using some fast strokes like I did here. Now for the second one, outline the leaf drawing and add finishing details using some fast strokes like we did for the cosmos. Now it's time to remove the masking tape. Tada! Our bookmarks are ready to use. Thank you for watching. More videos like this coming soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Share your views in the comment box below. And I'll see you with a new tutorial.